Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Android model and backing up contacts now, because once you change dialer settings, you want recoverability. Next, open Settings and go to Apps or Apps and Notifications so you can see the full app list. Tap the three-dot menu or Advanced to show system apps. This exposes the Google Dialer entry. Once done, locate Phone or Google Call Dialer, tap it, and prepare to change defaults or uninstall updates before disabling. Now focus on the app controls. In App Info, tap Uninstall Updates if available, because you can't uninstall a pre-installed system app fully. This returns it to factory version. Then force stop to halt background processes and clear cache and storage if you want to remove saved data. After that, open Settings Default Apps Phone app and choose your preferred dialer. Make sure to grant or revoke permissions only as necessary so the new app works properly. To finish, if the Disable button is available, tap it and accept any warnings. This prevents the dialer from running. Reboot your phone to ensure changes stick, then make a test outgoing call and confirm incoming call behavior. If something breaks, re-enable the app, clear defaults, or reinstall updates to restore functionality, then repeat steps selecting a different default dialer. If problems persist, check for carrier or manufacturer restrictions and contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.